Yeah, just prep my dinner. I haven't had dinner. Home cooked dinner since the last time I posted me making dinner. I'm sorry I should have washed them, but water is limited. So let's throw that garbage. That comes there. I told you I had it inside the cup. I had it inside the cup. There we go. Here. There we go. And that's it. That's it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Freaking beautiful, man. You don't need prices on this. Oh. Nice little container here. Goes like this. Goes like this. Goes like this. This bunch. Ah, mosquitoes. There. There we go. Okay, there we go. There we go. Alright, all done. All clean. Washed up everything. I didn't show you that, but I don't think it's very exciting. But it's all clean. Everything's washed. It's washed. That's it. Now, I'm going to show you for once. I'm tired of eating these right here. These ones right here. I get tired of eating the same thing. Anyways, okay. That jug is empty. Jug is empty. And yes, throw this out here. Right here. There we go. I'm done. That's it. Now I'm going to have a cigarillo. I'm going to have one of my cigarillos there. That's how I do it. Like I said, I don't think these guys find that very exciting, but that's how you do it. one. And the only thing you have a car, you got to be very careful what you buy and what you have, because you're limited on space. Trust me. No, but you can't save money living in a car. You can't. Not impossible. You know, or a van. Save money. Van might be a little bit easier, more room. Car, but a car is not more stealthier than a van. Trust me. Car doesn't jump out at you. Look at me. Only if you're sitting in one spot for too long. That's when you start sticking out. Any mess, okay? No mess anywhere. You clean up after yourself. Like if you're never here. Okay? Nothing. That's what you do. You don't leave it at pigsty. Because what happens if you leave a mess, you're destroying it for the rest of us. Now I'm gonna have my little cigarillo. Got my phone, got my tablet, got that phone. I got everything. Yep. There's nothing behind me. Everything's clean. Got to get out of here because after a certain time, I'm not allowed being in parks. And this is sort of a park. It's illegal in the city. So, get out of here. Respect it. Respect the rules and regulations. It doesn't say anything about no eating, no nothing. It says, you know, yes, authorized pedestrian assistance, on those bike paths, but it doesn't say anything, no cooking. I know you can't camp, so that's definitely illegal here. And in the winter, they close this. All this is closed in the winter. Let's go this way, because that way the Popo had the road blocked. I was going to go to another location, but this one's actually a bit better, more secluded. Not many people come here. Anyways, if you like this kind of stuff, hit the like button to subscribe. I know I haven't been posting much. I might post something about Spain, the invasion they had. You know, I'm not happy about that at all. The Spanish government better start doing something. Get their head out of their, out of the rear. Because I'm Spanish. I'm not happy. You know, that's been going on for too long, and Europe has been taking too much crap from too many of us. Too much. It's taking too much. Taking too much. Too many refugees. Oh, well, yeah, I'll want to go to Spain, not Canada. Oh, Canada's destroyed. Yeah, destroyed. My mother taught me at a very young age, and I don't like preaching. If you're not able to take care of your house, how can you take care of a country? Period. Okay, catch you on the flip side.